Time na money, oh, Orimando. Time na money, Orimando. Do better thing, Orimando. No waka waka, Orimando. No gossip gossip, Orimando. Use your time well, cause money no dey come from heaven. Do better thing, money go come. Na true word I dey tell you so, Orimando. Yes. Time na money, time dey very very important, yes. Everybody for this life get equal 24 hours, both rich and poor, yes, both great and small, both tall and short. Yes, you surprise? Everybody get the same time. They no dey use connection get am. They no dey lobby am. Once you die alive, today, na 24 hours God give every one of us and in dey equal. The problem be say how you dey take use your own. Now wetin we dey talk for life no balance TV. Yes, make you balance our life, because if you no balance your life, nobody go balance am for you. Yes. Na me be your correct guy man and street papa, Mr. Nwaneri. Yes. Calm down and relax, make we begin the flow. Yes. Time na the greatest asset. If you no know, yes. You fit waste your money. If you lose money, get am back. But if you lose your own time don pass. You think say na lie? Okay, imagine when you be footballer. Make we use football, because football na one profession wey be say e dey time conscious. Yes, you waste your time, you no do anything very important. When you come reach 40 years, you come say you wan go play for Premier League. E dey possible? It's not possible. Yes. Na that time you dey small, you go dey work on your goal. Yes. Na so life be. Yes. Person fit lose money, e go pain am, e go cry. But with time, e go get am back. Yes. I don see many rich men wey be say they get money, they come dey broke at a point in time in their life. But with time again, through hard work, consistency, and prayers, they come bounce back again. Many business don fold. With time, the business came back alive again. Yes. But person wey waste im time, person wey squander im time, no fit recover am. Yes. Na why I dey tell you make you use your time well. Also, many people dey waste their time. Yes. No be even time. They dey waste their years. No be even days. Yes. If you see person, he no get plan, he go dey just dey run around. He no get anything. Yes, wey him dey do, he no get any target. He no even show say the thing dey pain am. He just dey wasting time. Yes. Him mate go begin dey go school. He go sit down for house. He no wan go school. Him mate go begin dey learn skill. He go sit down for house. They do say he get him mama. Yes, they eat mama thank you. Yes, free food. Yes. You go dey eat am reach 40 years or 30 something years? No now. When you reach that time, you go know say na you do yourself. Yes. Because time lost fit never come back again. Yes. Also, many people still dey waste their time. They do unimportant things. If you see person, he dey for social media, just dey scroll, dey scroll, dey scroll, dey scroll. He no get anything wey he dey find. Na just to dey laugh, dey entertain himself. No be say him dey learn skill or him dey learn any idea or him dey lis ten to wetin go help am upgrade him brain. Yes, him go dey do anyhow. Yes, maybe every day if he burn 3 hours, 4 hours for something wey be say e no dey economically useful to am. or you no fit updating brain, updating acumen. Yes, before you go know am, him don spend many days or even months. Imagine person dey burn 5 hours online every day without any important thing wey im dey find. Yes, calculate am, multiply am by 365 days, you go know wetin im be. Yes, na why I dey talk say spend your time, use am well well, utilize am wisely. Yes, also successful people na dem sabi how to use their time. Yes, you go no go just storm successful person, im go just give you the time just like that. Im dey calculate im time very well, im dey time conscious and articulated. Yes, e no dey jones with im time. If e jones with money, if e do saraka with money, but e no dey jones with time. Im dey business conscious, time conscious. Yes, if im say today look at im activity, you dey see the MDs, the big boys, dem go get PA. Dem go say, what's our schedule today? The PA go tell am say, at so time you will be in office, at so time you have a meeting, at so time you go for this and that. Yes, that is why you suppose learn from them. Because if you no utilize your time wella, im go bezel for you. Yes. Oh, my brother, my sister, yes, you wey dey there, dey listen to me. Start today. Change your ways. Start your plans today. Start am. Execute am immediately. No wait till tomorrow. Yes. No delay. Procrastination is the enemy of time. Yes. A lot of people wey don buy, na so they get many plans, but they no execute am, and time no dey wait for person. Yes. So, my brother, my sister, utilize your time very well. Yes. Utilize am very well. Na true talk I dey tell you. No jones with your time. Yes. Na me be your correct kind man and street papa, Mr. Waneri. If this thing wey I talk really makes sense, yes, and you like am, comment, yes, say, yes, it makes sense for me. I go change. I go dey utilize my time very well from today. Yes. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and like this channel. Yes. I love you all, my fans. Have a great day.